Lillian Cabinets, your one-stop shop for all things cabinetry. Our Charleston Toffee Cabinet series are crafted from grade A North American maplewood. Full overlay raised panel and 5-piece mitered door and drawer heads give great detail on the profile and craftsmanship. The cabinet is then topped with a 12-step, rich hand-applied toffee stain and chocolate glaze. Cabinet boxes are half-inch plywood box construction with finished sides. Drawer boxes are dovetail with 5/8-inch solid wood construction and half-inch plywood bottoms. The Charleston Toffee is equipped with full extension undermount, soft closing drawer glides, and uses 6-way adjustable soft closing door hinges. The Charleston Toffee also uses a fully adjustable 3/4 depth shelf. Lillian Cabinets designed a user-friendly dovetail assembly for the cabinet box, which is unique to the marketplace. This process is faster, stronger, and shows no assembly clips. Lillian Cabinets, the unique, affordable, and high-quality cabinets you've been searching for.